Hello travelers, this is the Graham Cracker here. This is pretty close to the end of the RTR, and yesterday I did a little short clip on a very unique minivan that I'd like to present to you now, and just show you how people can build out a minivan and how it can function and be extremely what do you want to say? What do I want to say? Functionable. Yeah, I guess that's the best word. This is my friend, new friend, Kit. This is her rig. It's a Dodge Caravan, and the designer designed it on AutoCAD and took all the measurements about 20 times before they actually built it. But it is really a sweet rig. So, without further ado, Kit's minivan. This is Kit and Pippi's van. It's a 2017 Dodge Caravan minivan. She has built this out to have a complete stove, sink, pantry, refrigerator, sleeping area. There's her little dog, who's a wonderful Italian Greyhound. I think she's done a spectacular job with this little minivan. Amazing use of space. Absolutely incredible. Take you around to the outside. And this is the front of Kit's van. I got the back. This is Kit's van. Love her little light. And there's her little puppy again. Hello, puppy baby. I'm a sucker for the puppies. But anyway, it's nice. It's very nice. I'm jealous. Well, thanks for traveling with us today. This is the end of the 2018 Rubber Tramp Rendezvous through cheaprvliving.com. This is an event that Bob Wells puts on each year. This year there was over 4,500, maybe 3,500 people out here in the desert. Next year it will be in a new spot to accommodate that many people or more. We had a non-eventful RTR, no big issues, which is nice. Those that missed it, sorry. Maybe you can come out next year. It's really a decent event, and it's really geared to the new person to learn a lot of things, but the seasoned traveler can come out and meet new people and hook up with old friends. Thank you for following our channel. We have now reached 150 plus subscribers. Thank you all for subscribing and following and coming along with the Graham Cracker. I really appreciate you coming along with us. And for those of you that are not out here traveling around and are at home, I want you to get off your couch. I want you to go do something today, fun, learn how to live. So for all of you, I want you to follow your heart. Always embrace your dreams and cherish your life. Until next time, this is the Graham Cracker saying goodbye, and also Jake. He's down on the floor asleep. So anyway, bye-bye. Safe travels, everyone that's leaving the RTR. Nice to meet you. See you next year.